If you take a look at Cadillac's current crossover SUV lineup, you may notice that there's a sizable gap between the 5-passenger XT5 and Escalade. That void means that their customers wanting a third row have to get a Mondo Escalade or look to another brand if they're in search of something a little less bulky. That is until later this year, when the 2020 Cadillac XT6 lands in showrooms. The first ever XT6 finally gives Caddy a 3-row crossover that's more right-sized for daily driving to compete with things like the Audi Q7, Acura MDX, and Infiniti QX60. It'll be offered in 2 trim levels, a more comfort-focused premium luxury model and a performance-minded sport version. Distinguishing the premium luxury on the outside are bright grille, window, and roof rail accents, red taillights, and 20-inch wheels on the inoffensive sheet metal. The Sport wears a V-Series inspired grille, black accents, clear taillights, and offers 21-inch wheels. Inside, wood trim dresses the premium luxury and carbon fiber in the Sport. For easy access to the rearmost seats, the second row manually tip and slide forward with one touch. Once back there, there's adequate head and legroom, but cargo space is lacking when all seats are deployed with just 12.6 cubic feet at your disposal. Folding the power third row grows things to 43.1 cubic feet and then to 78.7 with the middle seats down. Optional interior features include premium leather seats, heated and vented front seats, heated second row outboard seats, and an air ionizer. Handling infotainment is the latest Q system with an 8-inch touchscreen and rotary controller with jog function to handle things like the available navigation system and 14-speaker Bose Performance Series sound setup. A Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capabilities are included on all XT6s. Standard safety tech includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and rear cross traffic alert. Adaptive cruise, a 360-degree camera, night vision, rear camera mirror, and head-up display are optional. A 3.6-liter V6 with 310 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque paired with a 9-speed automatic powers the XT6, allowing it to tow 4,000 pounds. Premium luxury cars are standard with front-wheel drive and available with all-wheel drive. Sport models are exclusively all-wheel drive with yaw control and get adaptive dampeners and quicker steering tuning for a sportier drive character. Cadillac dealers will begin taking orders for the 2020 XT6 this spring. Pricing details won't be available until we get closer to the start of production, but looking at the competition, I'm guessing a base price in the high $40,000 range is a good bet.